And good evening. I'm meteorologist Angela Buchman. Welcome back to WTHR Plus and our continuing coverage of a weather impact alert because of the snow that you see across central Indiana. This was a rough spot during the afternoon and evening drive east side of Marion County along 465 near Fall Creek. That exit ramp that was basically Shadeland to 56th Street. There's just enough of an incline that there were tons and tons of problems. So just want to make sure that that you're aware that we continue to have the snow and we continue to expect the snow to fall over the next several hours. We'll give you several more looks all across central Indiana, but I do want to get you caught up on the snow that's falling, how much more we expect. No official totals incoming yet, but we're nearing an inch, maybe 2 in a few places, and expecting another 2, maybe 3 in most locations. Snowing downtown, 28 degrees at this hour. Winds not too much of a factor. They're east-southeast currently at 8 miles per hour, so blowing and drifting not an issue. The main issues are the fact that it's cold and the snow is sticking, and the fact that the snow does continue to fall. And we've got several hours of snow in the forecast. Want to show you where some of the heaviest snow is falling. A few pockets in and around Bedford, and some of that heavier snow that we tracked in Bedford last time around, as expected, has now moved off to the north and east. So into Columbus, into Greensburg, these heavier snowfall rates will quickly coat the ground and quickly lead to some travel trouble. So if you're going to be out and about yet this evening, it is still expected to be slow going. Brownsburg, Avon, Plainfield, we have snow. Southwest along 70, back through Terre Haute, we have snow. It is falling south of Indianapolis as well. We will travel east, a bit of a break from some of the steadiest, but what you see to the west is coming back your way as everything is moving from southwest to northeast. Close-up view of Marion County, some pockets of heavier snow northwest side, so over toward the Eagle Creek area, and then as we cross the county line up into Hamilton County, Westfield, Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, and Anderson, and then we'll go north and east, relatively light here, but we do have some steadier snow across Madison County. And remember, moving northeast, so we give you the heads up, Hartford City, Muncie, Portland, Winchester, more snow moving your way. Back edge of this weather system, still a couple states away, so we expect some of the more intense banding that you see across parts of Illinois and Missouri to continue to kind of rotate or spin our way over the next few hours, which is the reason we're not expecting the snow to come completely to an end till probably 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. So again, we've got several hours of steadier snow in the forecast and widespread 2 to 4 inch snow totals as we look ahead. Future Trek 13, we're going to have an update, by the way, here on WTHR Plus in an hour, so we'll do another one at 10 o'clock. We'll have team coverage on Channel 13 at 11 and additional team coverage early tomorrow morning. Sunrise gets underway at 4 a.m. with Lindsay and Matt. They'll be tracking the snow and the traffic troubles. It really was slow going tonight. And because the snow isn't going to let up, we expect similar setup for tomorrow morning. So be thinking I'm going to need maybe double, triple the drive time just to get where I'm going early tomorrow morning. We already have over 70 school delays and closings already for tomorrow, and that list is growing. Wind chills will be in the teens and morning temperatures in the 20s. Here's how the day will play out tomorrow, and you'll need that heavy coat really all day long and the shovel and some extra time to get where you're going. Now, if you're just joining us on WTHR Plus, we're going to give you a couple of camera views, and then I'll do a quick reset to show you where we have the heavy snow now and where we expect it to go over the next several hours. This is a live view along 465. This is near Fall Creek. And as I mentioned, we ended up with some really slow going. I talked to one person that it took 75 minutes on what should have taken 25 minutes. And we don't have as many people out on the road, so that's helping a little bit. We are I-74 and 465 near Crawfordsville Road. You can see the snow piling up on the sides of the roads. This road actually looks a little better than I would say the east side of Marion County did. But those on and off ramps, I don't know if you'll notice that car that just came over, there's still some snow there. And because it's not going to end, we're going to continue to see these roads at times be snow covered. And that's one issue, rapidly changing weather conditions. You can go from a road being wet because it's been treated or we've had a lot of traffic on it, just friction, and then you can get to a side road or an on and off ramp or a bridge or overpass that is snow covered and icy. So rapidly changing weather conditions just slow it down and allow extra travel time until we get through probably mid-morning tomorrow. 28 in Indianapolis now. Snow continues to fall, and I'm going to give you several local views of some of the heavier snow that's now falling south and east of Indianapolis. We have snow in Martinsville and Bloomington, Bedford, and some of the heavier now into Columbus and Greensburg. We come back toward Marion County, getting ready to get hit with another wave of steadier snow. It's in Brownsburg now, back through Brazil along I-70, and additional snow into Connorsville, Liberty, Brookville, Rushville, and Shelbyville as well. Close-up view of Marion County will show the snow showers and some of the heavier snow rebuilding across portions of Hendricks County. So just be aware, we've got several hours of snow left in the forecast. Back edge of the weather system still a couple states away. Widespread 2 to 4 inch totals for most of us. We may see a total at 5 or so in a couple of places. Future Track 13 shows the snow continuing through early tomorrow morning. We will have team coverage on 13 at 11 o'clock tonight, and again as sunrise begins at 4 a.m. over on Channel 13. But if you're watching on our WTHR streaming app, WTHR Plus, the updates will continue tonight. I'm going to have another one here in just under an hour at 10 o'clock. I'm meteorologist Angela Buchman. We wanted to make sure you were updated on the weather impact alert due to snow moving through central Indiana, and we will see you at the top of the hour at 10 o'clock.